ones are kind of cool. I should have stopped for that little one. Boy, we're getting our workout today. I want to see one of them. Was it called the gopher tortoise?
Yes.
You see these things that get run over all the time on Route 41.
Poor things.
Yeah. But I suppose in the middle of the Everglades, a tortoise might not like too much. Yep, there's definitely no lack of gator turds on the bike path. Hopefully they're not from swallowing people.
Yeah, no kidding. If you see a shoe, let me know. It ain't funny. 'Cause they freak me out.
This is just amazing how cool this place is. Yep, another gator turd.
We could go to Louisiana. Uncle Troy.
Look at that crow. What's he doing? They're opportunistic. Oh, mile 3.
Yep.
Ding, ding, ding. 12 to go. I should film this a mile at a time. That's what I'll do some other day. It's not going to be today. We're just going to let the film run. Pretty sure it'll make it to the end if I don't do too much stopping.
Well, that's why you should do it on your second time here. When it's not as long as time.
Oh, I'll definitely be coming back to this place. I'll make a reservation. Stay at Midway
We love Midway.
for half price because Crystal has an annual or a lifetime pass and it's only 20 miles away. And they do have motorhome parking here, but it's a day use only. So
It pays to save your old pass.
I'm wondering how far this is gonna go. I know it's 15
Oh,
miles.
there's another bird.
Yep, there's plenty of birds.
He was grinding.
Hey, there's a
big one.
small pink one. I hope he's showing up on my video.
That's Rosie Spoonbill, I
Yep,
think.
yep. I hope he's showing up on my video.
Yeah.
I turned the preview off because it makes the battery last a lot longer.
That is so cool to see pink birds.
I hear you. I still can't believe that giant gator that was 2 feet off the path. It's like almost scary. Hey, now here's a cool bird. Look at this guy. You are very cool, buddy.
Hi, dude. What are you doing? Are you hunting?
Yep. He's sneaky. Looked like he was napping.
I don't think he's napping.
Well, maybe he's faking out the fish. Nope, there's a white one.
That's an egret.
Mr. Egret. We haven't seen too many of them. Oh, look at all the fish jumping. Another crow. A gator?
15 foot and 1,000 pounds.
No. Yes, there is. Haven't seen many butterflies yet. They seem to be out in mass numbers too, the monarchs.
I saw there.
Oh, there went one. Yep, there's a bird hunting. Good luck hunting. There's a bird in the tree. So, where do you think the Florida panthers are hiding?
In the weeds, of course.
I actually have pepper spray. There's a cool bird. Hi, bird.
There's a gator.
Oh, yeah, he's watching the path. That's ridiculous. Yeah, there's one of them gator turds. Oh, and imagine that. There's a gator 2 feet away again. Hi, buddy. No, then I ain't. Ooh, he moved. He woke up. He woke up and started coming my way.
Well, what do you expect?
Well, probably somebody fed him or something. Idiots.
No, probably he's gonna feed himself.
No.
There's a bird.
Oh yeah. Man, he's standing right in the gator
There's a lot
slide.
of slides.
Oh my gosh, I guess.
There's a bunch of
What is that? Thought it was a snake. We seen a snake.
Did you see that sign about the Burmese python
No.
in our campground?
Oh, no, I haven't.
It's on the bulletin board. Oop, bunch of baby gators.
Oh, really? I missed them. Were they close to the road?
Yeah, they're right by the road.
Yeah, I gotta go look at them.
Yeah, you better hope Mama's not
I gotta quit turning around. Right by the road, she says. Oh, there they are. Them weren't right by the road. Oh, there's a couple more. There's a bunch more off to the left. Right over here, there was some.
I know.
1, 2, 3. Yep. Because Mama's gonna come protect them. There's plenty of gators.
There's no shortage.
No shortage of gators.
That's just within 4 miles. You know what I mean?
Oh man, I guess. Oh, I just heard a gator chirp.
Did you?
Yep.
Calling for his mama.
Yep. Did you hear what that guy was saying that pointed out the first gators?
About taking the turtle?
Yeah, that too, but he said, one time we rented bikes here and it got so windy we had to push them back.
Yeah. Been there.
Yeah. That's why we got pedal assist.
Headwind 50 miles an hour going up a hill.
That's one nice thing about the Glades. There's really no hills to
Not
speak of.
big ones anyway.
Oh, we just hit another mile marker. What are we coming up to, 4 or 5?
It'll be 5.
5? Woo! How many did I say this was? 15?
Yeah,
10 to go if we're at 5, so we're
not at 5 yet.
as soon as we hit 5, we're a third of the way.